Welcome back to another Finance for Beginners tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can request money from any user using the Remitly application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Remitly application, and once you are logged into your account, you will be taken into the home page. From here, you can tap on the request button, and now you will be asked to choose where your sender lives. Tap on the country from which you want to receive your money from. Once you have chosen the country, you will need to choose your receiving method. You can choose cash pickup, mobile money, or bank deposit. Choose your desired method and then tap on continue. You can now choose which option you would like to use. And once you have chosen your method, tap on continue once again. You will now be asked to enter your full information that matches with your account on your receiving method. Go ahead and type in your full name, and once you proceed forward, you will be asked to log in to your account on your method that you have chosen. Enter your credentials and log in, and once you have linked your account, you will be able to start requesting money from anyone within your contact list. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to request money from someone on the Remitly app. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.